Do you know that not all Orthodox conversion within and outside Israel are recognized to make Aliyah? Hi, this is Batya. I'm a Filipina and I converted to Orthodox Judaism under the Rabbinate of Israel. And yes, I already made Aliyah. In Israel, we have conversions done by the Rabbinate and conversions by the private Beit Din. Rabbinate conversion is recognized to make Aliyah even right after she finishes her conversion, so long as she has all her documents and most importantly is her Tiuda Giyur. However, in private Beit Din, it might not be as straightforward. So if you are converting in Israel or if you want to convert in Israel, it is safe to ask, is it under the Rabbinate or is it private? Now, outside Israel, there is a list of Beit Dins that are accepted and recognized by the State of Israel to make Aliyah. This is not automatic and this does not happen right away. Some cases have to wait for a year or more in order to get their Tiudat Giyur. And as I have said, this is the most important document for Aliyah application, especially if you're doing it through conversion. So before you seek a Beit Din, make sure that they are recognized by the State of Israel. Comment section for your future reference.